Hi, Andrew. Oh, you're smacking your lips? Want me those kisses? Let's see you do it again. One more time. You're not going to do it again? It was the cutest thing. Oh, that's wonderful. Oh, you're good at that. Pucker up. I'm coming to give you a kiss. I love it. Oh, good job, Andrew. Let's say bye-bye. Love you.